that wiggle in the park, I thought it was best to go ahead and replace the tires. So I have engaged hover mode on my GTR. Now originally I wanted to get some Yokohama 8008Rs, but no one in Australia currently has them. So I got some Bridgestone RE-003s and figured while the car's on stands I'd go ahead and do an oil change. I'm also going to be taking the brakes off, changing the rotors, the pads, and I think I might paint the calipers as well, just to freshen it up. But should be good. Put some new rubber on there. Hopefully I'll have these put in as well. So I basically just got some bollards to put in. Don't live in a bad area or anything, just for my own peace of mind really. So we'll see about getting those put in as well. One of the good things about doing this weekend is Australia has this thing, which I still really not used to, where they do double demerit points. So like, you know, you get a speeding fine, it's 3 points, whatever. Well, during any public holiday, anytime you have a long weekend where the volume of cars is increased on the road, they introduce double demerits. Typically it doesn't really make a difference, it's whatever, but with modified cars means there's more highway patrol out on the road, more chances for you to get dicked over, and then they just have kind of double the reason to pull you over. So most of the time a lot of people just stay off the road during that time, and well, at least I know a lot of my friends do, just because it's not worth it. Like, don't want the hassle, don't want the drama, so we usually just stay off the road. Alright, so oil's draining right now. There's where my filter is. If you haven't done that to your GTR, you're crazy, because that just makes life so much easier. Alright, I have no idea if you guys can see this, but I haven't drained this catch can in like 7 months. So it should just be E85. If we see any oil, I don't know if that's good or bad, but it should just be water. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what comes out of my catch can. And remember, there's some people that drain this crap back into their sump. So when you see this come out, just remember that. Look at that. Pure water. Smells exactly like E85. Oh. There's the dirt and gunk. And still just water, no oil at all. I don't have a breather on there, so there's a lot of dust and gunk that can get in there. But yeah, imagine returning that crap to your sump that just came out of my catch can. Nothing but basically water and dirt. Alright, so oil change all done. I decided to clean up the wheels a little bit so they shine up real nice. And just waiting on brakes. So once they come, I'll do the brakes, and we'll go out and test it, see what it's like. Just checking the oil real quick. Right to the top of the hump. Exactly where it should be. How much mud do you think is in there? Oh yeah, it's just like straight mud. I need to get like something to dig it out with.
Yeah.
Alright, so now that the holes are done, good old concrete chunks All I gotta do is dig this out, cement in my bollards, and then we're good to go. Alright, so it's been about a week and a half. I still haven't had my brakes show up. The bollards have started curing, so that's good. And yeah, they're removable, not hydraulic or anything like that. I'm not baller enough for all that. So the brakes still haven't shown up. I didn't want to miss my alignment appointment, so I put the wheels back on, went and tried to get an alignment done out at Heisman's, but ended up getting the bad news that my bushings on the tie rod ends were just absolutely gone. So I didn't actually film on the way home. I was angry. But yeah, so I chucked the wheels back on, went for a cruise that night, and then the new tires feel awesome. Definitely have a bit more grip, but the tie rod bushes, I don't know if it was just in my head or maybe I didn't care before, but I can feel how bad the car just tracks all over the road at any gear. I'm talking about I could be in fourth gear, get into boost, and it just is like, you know, you're just wiggling everywhere. So I'm gonna probably not drive the car too much until I get the new tie rod ends, and then go back to Heisman's again to get it aligned.
Our RE-003. So it's still got those stock rotors on there, which hopefully this week they come.
Anyway, that's pretty much all I got. So once the brakes come in, I'll do that and go back to the national park, test them out, see how we like them, and go from there. Oh, dash bubble guys. So as you can see, it is starting to come back. That's only from GTR Festival, which is I think only about a month ago. Not sure how the camera's gonna pick this up, but yeah, it's starting to raise back. So we're gonna go through the dash at the back of the glove box. Small little hole, fill it with some resin, heat it back up, push it back down, because as you can see, it's already hard, and then we'll flatten it down. But yeah, like I said, this is just me having fun, because as you can see, I've got another one there. So this is, yeah, this dash just needs to be retrimmed. Fun times. It's always something. Anyway, that's gonna be it for me today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.